So I'm here at the meter group. Good morning to you. The hardest thing for me today was to get up out of the bed. Oh my word. But we're here, we should be walking. Let's do this. Morning. So we're here at the media group. The hardest thing for me to do this morning was to wake up, but I was like, yo, get up, go walk, you have the company. The First Light team, again, they're walking today, and I'm tagging along with them. Remember, this is the plan for the new year. We're getting more active. MICAL with you. I have a couple of things to accomplish today, but I thought, let's start by getting active. Let's start by stepping. Let's start by walking. So, good morning to you. Hopefully, you are doing something that will help you physically. Let's go. So, we're walking off from the media group. So, Mr. Kelly's setting up because while he's walking, he's going to be doing his broadcast. Shanessa Hall, down there, producer of First Light. Arnold Kelly, host of First Light. And Lincoln Liking, manager of the News, Sports and Current Affairs Department, is on his way. Let's get this walk started.
All right, it's NCU FM, your education and wellness station. And yes, we're off to a late start and we are moving off. I guess, we're standing at NCU gate and Shanessa is still secretive about the route.
The route, exactly.
So we don't know where she's going. Michael, we have no idea where she's going.
No idea where we're going.
Right, we have no idea where we're going, so I think it's part of the trick. But let's see what happens. All right, are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, and we're off. All right.
Let's go. I don't know why she's.
We have news coming up next.
I don't know why she's secretive about the route, but we're gonna find out. If it's one thing about walking in Mandeville, you're not short of hills. Almost every route you choose to walk in Mandeville, there are some good hills, yeah? So we're going up one now. Nice little experience. Get up and come walk with me. I got invited to this run. Well, I call it a run. It's a walk. We walk 5Ks competitively, and we're, by we I mean the team from NCU FM, trying to get back active and everything. So, First Light, as you know from the last video, First Light, they're doing this challenge, issuing a challenge to the listeners to walk 200 kilometers for the year 2021. It sounds hard, but go watch the last video and the breakdown. You realize it's not all that difficult. But yeah, we're doing these walks. Got the link from Shanessa Hall saying, hey, Friday morning, we're gonna walk. Normally when we're gonna walk, we discuss a route, where we're going, where we're walking, the turns, and you start to prepare yourself. But for some reason, Shanessa decided that, hey, she's not telling us where we're walking today. She said, it's my route. That's how we know that it's her route. So we're walking, we're following her. I still don't know where I'm going, but I'm sure at the end of it, I'm gonna be done a 5K, one step closer, or a whole heap of steps closer, maybe like 8,000 odd steps closer to my goal for where we want to get for 2021. All right, if my last, just tell them it's just Shanessa Hall, all right?
Distance 2 kilometers. Duration 21 minutes 12 seconds. Pace 11 minutes 7 seconds.
For some reason, I feel like I've been here before. Are we lost or something? I feel like I've been here before.
This is what the Lord did to the children of Israel when they said.
It looks awfully familiar. I hope we're not here for 40 years though.
We'll see. We'll see when the producer decides to let us go.
This is what, our third time doing this hill?
Pretty sure it's the fourth.
We are 1.87 miles in. How much K is that? Don't carry the one. Yeah, no, it don't reach 5 yet. Up the hill again.
Make a marker so we know, so we pass this already. See there, right?
I used to do this when I was younger, growing up in St. Thomas, as I saw them passing this way. I go into a forward. I pop in the back, man. Alright. If I pass my skills, alright? With those pathetic times.
Name the producer.
We're just, having a deja vu moment,
Well, what we did was put something in the road so if we pass it again, we know that this is actually the same place we came before.
Yeah, Michael put the Christmas bulb.
Yes.
That's the name of it?
Christmas bulb and how it does.
Christmas bulb, yes, that's the plant. So he broke a piece of it and he stuck it at the side of the road. So if we pass there again and see it, then we know that, yes, we've been this way before. All right, so we want to say good morning to Stacey Warburton celebrating her birthday today. Good morning, Stacey. Yes, good morning. Happy birthday to you.
So
Also,
even though we're walking and we're doing our 5K, the job of the radio continues. So Mr. Kelly is actually live on radio right now at 7:30. They're about to do the acts of kindness and then the birthday greetings. So he's doing the birthday greetings live on NCFM while walking, The work have to go on. Anyway, me have to go on. Now go back leave them now because we're heading back to the office and I know this part of the route. Let's go. We're on the final lap, the final leg. Let's get this 5K finished.
Shanessa, because Shanessa knows that we would normally want to
launch for the finish, yes.
Line before her. But Shanessa, I need to interview you. Hold on a bit. I need to talk to you. She's gone.
Shanessa Lincoln.
She's gone.
They're gone.
We'll be able to catch up with her.
I told you at the end of this, I'm gonna have 5K done and I'm gonna feel better for it. And I'm happy I got up, even though I didn't want to. I'm happy I got up. I'm happy I did this. Yeah. Wanna motivate you, get up and do them thing here too. And I said to walk in the mornings. That's a good way to start. Until maybe you want to start jog and run and go to the gym, I don't know. Get some cardio in. 30 minutes of exercise per day is what the Heart Foundation recommends. Back where we started. MICAL with you. I have a couple of things to accomplish today. So I have a number of things to do today. At the time of this video, I am not monetized. I'm not a part of the YouTube partner program. So I'm not monetized by Google, but we have other ways how we have monetized the channel. So after the 5K, just went in and I collected some collections. And going to get the car worked on, serviced. So that's what we're up to for today. Yeah. So I'm telling the mechanic that there are a number of things that I've done for myself on the car. It's my first time carrying officially to be serviced and such. And him says, so like, oh, you did them something, you go on YouTube. I say, yeah. So him say, oh, you're one YouTube mechanic. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Glad for the internet. We can get to deal with some things ourselves. You know? But I think what I need done now is a little bit above what I can do. So I can't come to the shop. Alright, so one thing I want you to take note of. How the camera shots look. And in the comments right now, I want you to go ahead and make your guesses. What camera do you think I'm using? I'll reveal that at the end. Alright, so big thank you to my brother. Came to provide some transport while I'm on the road. Still have some more things to get accomplished on the road. So next in line, I have to go pick up something at the shipping company. Hopefully there isn't too much of a long line there because we are running on a time crunch because I need to get back in time for my live stream at 11:30. Alright, minutes to 11 and I have a live stream at 11:30 and I still have one more major stop for the day. I have to go do some banking and you know how the lines are with that. So hopefully we can finish in time to get in for our live stream. All right, check. Good morning. Well, good day to everyone who is watching. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's live stream. We do these live streams every single day, 11:30 to 12:30, right here on the Facebook page. MICAL with you. Thank you for tuning in. Everybody feel free to share the live stream right now. I want to say thank you to my brother. He helped me out this morning. So for those of you who know, I started off my day by doing a 5K, 5.4K thereabout with the team from NCU FM, the team from First Light. We didn't go too far. We're in the community in and around. We just came back to studio. Mr. Kelly went back in. Lincoln went back in right to work. And even while we're on the road, they were working. Then after that, I had some things I needed to sort out, some personal things. So I went on the road. I had some persons who they are living in London. They have made their donations to the fundraiser that we're doing right now via JN Money Transfer. So I went to do that pickup and to drop in the relevant accounts. Thank you so much. Check. Testing. Drive time family, good afternoon to you. Thank you so much for tuning into the drive right here on NCU FM, your education and wellness station. Your driver is here with you, MICAL. Michael Forsythe is in the house, and I am ready for the drive. I don't know about you, but are you ready for the drive? You need to make sure. All right, so time 3:39. I just ran out of studio. I actually, let me just turn this down. That's me on air. I had to come for the car. I know curfew time in Mandeville is at 7 o'clock, so most business places are closed at certain times, you know. It must be kept in mind. So it was a busy day, and I knew that I had to probably run out of studio. So it was a good time. I was approximating, and I recorded homework helpers. So only you who are watching this video right now, if you're listening to the show, you'd have heard me, and I guess you'd have thought I was live, But now that you're watching this, you understand, yeah. So I had to just run, come and get the car, and I'm going back in studio now. Yeah, man. Alright, blessings. That's my brother. He was the one who was kind of chauffeuring me around, carrying me around, so I could be able to accomplish things that I needed to accomplish today while I didn't have my mode of transportation. So anyway, back to work right now. Blessings. There's just something about when a car just service, it just feel like it just drive brand new. That me I look for still. Alright. Oh, by the way, I was still at work. Mechanic called and said, boom, car ready. So I just run come to that. Those on air would I never even know. Alright, back in studio now to wrap up the next part of the drive. Just what? About more than, well, I was out for more than 20 minutes. But we're back. Time to wrap things up. But today taught me a lesson. And hopefully you were able to learn from that lesson too. I remember I did the video and I was saying, what's the hardest step? Is it the first step? And I was saying, no, it's not the first step. It's continuing. Then my next video, I was saying how I nearly quit YouTube because of all the struggles that I was going through. It's all about continuing. It's all about persevering. It's all about keeping on pushing through. And I hope that as you see the struggles that somebody else is having, and I know we recognize persons' victories and persons' wins, but let us remember, you see the struggles, motivate somebody along the way. Maybe it is a fellow content creator, maybe it's somebody else trying the digital evangelism and they're finding it tough. Motivate somebody along the way. Somebody trying with their fitness journey, motivate them along the way, because the toughest part sometimes with the fitness journey is just to wake up in the morning and go do the 5K. I'm happy I persevered this morning and pushed through. Drive time family, big up on yourself. Thank you for tuning in. Let me go finish the drive right now as we are live in studio. It was a full day. What did I do today? Woke up, I did the 5K. Did a lot of things on the road. Rushing just in time to do my live stream. Back on the road. Came to work. I was supposed to pick up my mode of transportation. It wasn't ready. Came to work and I had to run out during work time. Picked that up. Back in studio now. It was really a good and a fulfilling day. Hey, we have the videos coming up on the YouTube channel as you realize that 2021 has been a very active year for us. As we keep those going, by the way, this video today, I kind of issued myself a challenge. 100% shot on the phone. 100% shot on the phone. No external microphones, nothing like that. No, I didn't even set up any lighting, nothing like that. I just work with what the environment gave me, with the environment I had, and the one little device. You can do it too.